Hey everyone, welcome back to MyExpatTaxes. My name is Sean, and in today's video, I'm here to show you how to pay your federal income taxes. All right, so now we're going to do a quick walkthrough on how to pay your balance due from the IRS website. So you're going to navigate in your browser to www.irs.gov/payments. So you have two options to make a payment on the IRS website. The first is to do direct pay with a bank account. The second is to pay with a debit, credit card, or digital wallet. I generally recommend that people pay direct with the bank account because they don't charge a service fee. So let's take a look at the process for how to do that. You're going to navigate here and select Pay with Bank Account. And you've got the option to pay individual tax and pay business tax. We're doing individual. And then you're going to navigate to this button here, just pay personal taxes and make a payment. And then it's going to ask for you to input some information so it knows how to direct the payment. There's several different types of payments. There are estimated payments, there are extension payments, and then there are balance due payments. An estimated payment is going to be paying in advance for next year. So if you navigate here, select 1040 income tax and put estimated tax, that's not going to apply to your current year balance. It's going to be applied to your next year balance. And then you're going to have to call the IRS and sit on hold and have it reconciled to the correct time period. So you don't want to do that. If you're working with us, it's almost always going to be an extension payment or a balance due payment. If it's before April 15th and you have filed an extension to October 15th, then you can call it an extension payment and that'll get credited to this year. Or if it's your balance due and you know the amount, you're just going to select 1040 balance due payment plan or installment agreement, and it's all coded the same, but this is for the total balance that you owe for this year. And then you're going to put in the year to apply it to and select continue, and it will ask you to confirm that information. You will select continue. And here it will verify your identity. And the way the IRS does this is by taking your information from a prior tax return. So it's going to ask you for the tax year that you would like to use to verify. It's going to ask the filing status that you used in that year. It's going to ask your name, your address, your social security number or ITIN, date of birth, all that information to match it up with your prior year return that they will use to verify your identity. So if anything's changed since then, use the information that's on your prior year return. Select accept and continue. And then it's going to take you to this screen here where it'll ask you to confirm your payment amount and date. And then it will ask you for your account routing number and account number, and to confirm the account number and whether it's a checking or savings account. They provide instructions here where you can find the routing and account number at the bottom of a check, but you can also easily find this information on your online banking account. And then you'll select the email address where you'll like to confirm and select continue and then confirm your payment. And that is how you can pay your federal income taxes. If you have any questions or found this video helpful, please be sure to subscribe to the channel because we've got a lot more content like this coming your way.